How to Amazon Prime membership. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we are going to learn how we can get Amazon Prime membership, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now to basically get Amazon Prime membership, open up your browser and simply go to amazon.com/Amazon Prime. I repeat, amazon.com/Amazon Prime here. This is a direct link. I'll also make sure to drop it in the description below. Once done, you should be able to simply go ahead and then sign into your account, and once you sign into your account, here you'll see it says start your free 30-day trial option. So just tap on the start your free 30-day trial button over there, and as you have done that, you should be able to simply go ahead and then select add a credit or debit card. Once you add a credit or debit card option, you should be able to go ahead and then add them successfully and get the Amazon Prime subscription. This way you can Amazon Prime subscription. Hope this video was very helpful to you guys. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.